Good morning class. In this video we are going to start new civilization, that is Harappan civilization. Okay. In this we cover discovery of Harappan civilization, and town planning, of Harappan civilization. Next, drainage system, of Harappan civilization, the Great Bath, and the Great Granary. N-A-R, granary. And one more point, dog. Yeah. Okay. So in this video we cover these points. First, see here, discovery of Harappan civilization. Discovery of Harappan civilization. Okay. It is also called Indus Valley civilization. There is an interesting story about the discovery of the Indus Valley civilization. During the construction work at a railway track near Harappa in the province of Punjab in around 1920, the railway authorities felt that the bricks being used from a nearby ruin belonged to a very old civilization. The Archaeological Survey of India, that is called ASI, working on this information, carried out extensive excavation at the site. After the discovery of ancient ruin at Harappa, an Indian archaeologist, Dayaram Sahni, extensively excavated the site of Harappa. Similarly, other sites were also discovered by the Archaeological Survey of India. This civilization came to be known as Harappan civilization because Harappa was the first city to be discovered. It is also known as Indus Valley civilization as it was discovered on the banks of the river Indus and its tributaries. Here new word, archaeologist. Archaeologist, a person who studies prehistoric people and their culture and excavate, dig out materials from the ground. Okay, so this is the story related to discovery of Harappan civilization. Now, how was the town planning in Harappan civilization at the time of Harappan civilization? The Indus Valley people developed the world's first planned cities with a well-developed sanitation and drainage system. Okay, the cities were divided into two parts, citadel and the lower town. Citadel for the rich people, in lower town for the common people. Okay. The citadel houses public buildings and residences of rich people, and lower town consisted of houses of the common folk and right angles. The main roads ran parallel The entire city was divided into rectangular blocks. Smaller streets intersected the main roads at right angles. The main roads ran parallel to each other. The roads were wide and the corners were rounded for easy movement of carts. Corners are easy. Many roads were paved with baked bricks. There were street lamps on the roads. Okay, so very rich planning of the town. Proper drainage system, sanitation. Okay, now next topic is drainage system. The drainage system of Harappan civilization was very impressive. Water flowed from the house to the street which had drains. These drains were covered with bricks or stone slabs. The street drains were equipped with manholes. All manholes and drains were occasionally cleaned by workmen. In every house there was a well-constructed sink, and water flowed from the sink into the underground sewers in the streets. The drainage system of civilization is unique. The drainage system of Harappan civilization is unique. They never connected their drains to river. This is very important point. The drainage system of Harappan civilization is unique, which indicated that the Harappan people paid a good deal of attention to health and cleanliness. Harappan people never connected their drains to rivers. They maintained their rivers with great care. Of right here Harappan. Okay, so these all points about the drainage system. Now next point, the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro is the most important building of the Harappan civilization. It is considered important because most scholars agree that this tank would have been used for special religious functions where water was purified and renewed the bathers. It was a huge rectangular tank with a flight of steps on the northern and southern sides leading on the bottom of the tank. The water for the bath was provided by a nearby well. The tank had an outlet in one corner leading to a drain which could empty the tank. The tank was surrounded by rooms which were either used as living rooms by the priest or were meant for changing clothes. So these points of the Great Bath of Harappan civilization. Now next, the Great Granary. At Harappa there were 2 rows of 6 granaries. Two rows of 6 granaries known as the Great Granary. These were used to store surplus food. That's extra food grains to be used during the floods or famines. All the granaries were built close to the river. Why? Because that grains could be easily transported by boats. Near the Great Granary, there were several round platforms where grain was threshed. A similar granary was found at Mohenjo-daro also. Okay. Now next point is dockyard. Dockyard. A dockyard built of bricks has been excavated at Lothal. It shows that Harappan were familiar with ships. It was constructed by channel of the Gulf of Cambay. Underlines. Gulf of Cambay. Goods made in Harappan cities were probably exported from here, and goods coming from outside were also unloaded here. Okay. So these all points today we have discussed. You can read from your book also. And thank you, class.